Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Notion on your Windows computer. First, open your web browser and go to the official Notion website. Once the website loads, look for a button that says Download for Windows. Click on it, and the download will start automatically. After the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to open it. The installer will begin automatically. Wait for the installation process to finish. Once it is done, Notion will launch automatically on your computer. When Notion opens for the first time, it will ask you to sign in with your Notion account. Click on Sign In. This will open a browser window. Enter your account details and complete the sign-in process. After signing in, the browser will ask you to continue in the Notion app. Click on the button to continue. Now, Notion is ready to use on your Windows device. You can now start creating notes, organizing your projects, and using all the features that Notion offers. Thanks for watching.